Okay guys, this is Alex Train Spotter HD and welcome back to another new video at Exeter Central. This is a train I got off to get to Exeter Central, a double South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. No, this is not no ordinary video guys, this is going to be a Great Western Divert video. This is the reason why I came to Central today guys, to do a video here. Yes, that's right, you'll be seeing IETs going through here. So, which is quite a rare sight. The reason why that's happening is because there's engineering works in between Exeter, St David's and Taunton. Well, mainly works near Tiverton Parkway. So, obviously, no trains can go on that line this week. The engineering works is planning to finish on Friday. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. I was here last week recently to do a normal video, but this week I'm going to do a Great Western Divert video. So yeah, and this is a train I set, like I said, to get off to get to Central. 159019 at the front, going to Waterloo. Patch number in the bit at the back as it's about to depart. And a dirty looking 159011 at the back. So then guys, services you'll be seeing in this video by South Western Railway, Great Western Railway and Great Western Railway IETs. So yeah, today should be made for a good video. So hope you all enjoy. I'm going to be here until about 20 past 12, so I'm going to be here for just under a good 2 hours. So this could be a long video. I'll say it would definitely be at least 20 minutes long, maybe more, see how we go. But we'll come back. Actually, before we do come back, I forgot to mention about the annual railroad report. As you can see, it's nice and sunny today. With a, I'll say with a top temperature of around 14-15 degrees. The reason why I picked today guys, obviously as you could tell, it's dry and sunny. The rest of the week's weather is looking rather dire, to be honest. So I picked today to get my divert video out the way. So yeah. Anyway guys, we'll be back in a few minutes with some more trains. Okay guys, we're back and we got the St James's Park train coming in now. It's following the 158957. Okay, back to the park now. It'll be a Great Western Railway service to St James's Park from Barnstable. 158957 is the number on the train. And coming in shortly should be another train on the opposite side going to Paignton. Okay guys, we're back and coming in now will be a Great Western Railway service to Paignton. Good old bouncy pacer at the front with a 150 at the back. It's 143 612 at the front. With the 150 246 at the back. Just like both of the trains have had a bit of a wash. Blimey. Okay guys, we're back. Thanks for partner. I'll be a Great Eastern Railway service to Paynton. 143 612 at the front with the 150 246 at the back. Coming in shortly on this side will be a Great Eastern Railway service to Exeter. Okay guys, we're back again, and coming in now will be a Great Eastern Railway service to Exmouth. So it's the 150 at the front.
Platform 2 from the 10:58 South Western Railway service to Exeter St David's. Calling at Exeter St David's.
150 248 at the front of this.
The train has 8 coaches. Platform 2 from the 10:58 South Western Railway service to Exeter St David's.
Not bad stopping there guys. Okay guys, coming in now will be a South Western Railway service to Exeter St David's. Try and catch this before the Exeter train goes out. It's a double South Western Railway, both in the newer livery. 159 020 at the front. And we got the Great Eastern Railway service to Exeter is about to depart as well. And the 143 611 at the back. And we'll catch the number at the back of that South Western Railway once it goes out, so we'll come back then. Okay guys, we're back. South Western Railway service to Exeter St David's is leaving now. It's the 159 004 at the back. Quite a busy little period that, guys. I'll come back in a few minutes with some more trains.
David's
Okay guys, we're back as we got the
southwest of England. Train stops in zones 1,
got the
2,
Barnstable
3,
train coming in now. The
zones
return of
1
the
and 3.
158957.
In zone 2. Yeovil, Copplestone, Orchard Road and Umberley are request stops, and passengers for these stations should ask the conductor on the train to arrange for the train to stop to allow them to leave.
So we got, like I said guys, we got the 158957 coming back in, going to Barnstable. Could do with a bit of a wash from the sides, looking rather filthy. Okay guys, back. Got the Great Eastern Railway service to Barnstable departing. Yeah, the reason why I picked today guys, like I said, is because the weather is good today, as you can see, and I had a look at the weather forecast for the rest of the week and it's not looking that great. So thought I'd get my video in today, done and out the way then. Okay guys, coming in now will be a Great Eastern Railway service to Exmouth. Number on this train is 150265. We have another pacer at the back. Okay guys, we're back as we got the Great Eastern Railway service to Paignton coming in. It's a double 150. I believe this is the only double 150 on the line today. 150233 at the front. And the 143621 at the back. And the number at the back of this Paignton train is 150221. Looking rather filthy as well. I guess some of these units never get the chance to have a wash. I think some have had a wash, some haven't. So, yeah. So, we will see this go out very shortly. Okay guys, we're back. About to depart now. It'll be a Great Eastern Railway service to Paignton. One of a double 150. I believe this is the only double 150 on the Exeter to Paignton line today. So guys, in this video a bit later on you will be seeing the diverts. You'll be seeing two diverts, one coming from London Paddington going to Plymouth and one coming from Plymouth going to London Paddington. So yeah, those are coming, well the first one's coming through around just after midday and the other one will come around about just before 20 past 12, so they're not too far away from each other really. So yeah. Okay guys, we're back. Coming in now will be a South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. Interestingly, this one doesn't stop at Clapham Junction. Quite shocked at that, don't know why it's not. Yeah, we saw this earlier on in the video, the 159004 now will be at the front, slight difference. So yeah guys, like I said, this one's not stopping at Clapham Junction, which is really weird. You Also, you was assuming that all South Western Railway trains that come from Exeter always stop at Clapham Junction, but this one's not. Have to explain to me in the comments on that one, guys. Bit weird, but yeah. Whether to keep the camera rolling or not, I should depart in a minute. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video so far, guys. Like I said, you will see the diverts very shortly in the video. First one will be coming from Plymouth to London Paddington, and then the second one you'll see will be coming from London Paddington. So yeah. Yeah, I picked today, like I said, guys, because obviously the weather is fine, nice and dry and sunny. The rest of the week looking dog shite weather wise. I suppose, yes, I could still make it to Central even if it's raining, because as you can see, Central has got good shelter points, but nonetheless, you want to really record in the dry and sunny weather, don't you? Really, it just makes the video a bit more better. We do have the South Western Railway service to London Waterloo is about to leave now. Now, have South Western Railway finally sorted out their strike action? Now, they haven't had no strikes for a while. I hate to tempt fate by saying that, guys, but you know, ever since it's the South Western Railway have you know, operated during the pandemic, there's been no strikes or anything. So yeah. Okay, guys, coming in now will be a South Western Railway service to Exeter St David's. This is a train we haven't seen yet. It's got the old stagecoach livery at the front. Number on this one is... it's to be the 159104 at the front. Now, apparently, guys, that Boris Johnson is in Exeter today, visited a college. That's interesting. Hey guys, coming in now will be a Great Western Railway service to St James's Park from Barnstable. This one's 158958. And the 159001 at the back of the South Western Railway. Keep the camera rolling for the Great Western Railway service to St James's Park. As we got the 143611 returning back through, go to Peyton with the 150. I've got a number at the 150. I think it was. Oh, I'll catch it now. R50248 at the back, that was it. Turning back through, going to Peyton. And coming in shortly should be a Great Western Railway service to Exeter. Probably a train we haven't seen yet, so we will come back soon with that train. Okay guys, coming in now will be a Great Western Railway service to Exeter. R50243 at the front with a pacer at the back. Okay guys, back to the park now. Will be a Great Western Railway service to Exmouth. 150-243 leading the way with a good old bouncy pacer at the back. On 43620 at the back. Okay guys, well this Great Western Railway service to Peyton has had a scheduled about 6 or 7 minute wait here for some reason. I don't know why, just the way it is I suppose. This will depart in a minute, so we'll see it go out very shortly. Hey guys, we're back at the Great Western Railway service to Peyton, about to depart. Okay guys, well we're nearing the Diverts. I think the next train in this video will be one of the two of the Diverts. It would be the one coming from Plymouth going to London Paddington. So we'll come back soon with that train. Okay guys, we're back and this is what we came here for, wasn't it? We got a Great Western Railway service to London Paddington about to come through. This will be the first of the two diverts. This one's coming from Plymouth going to London Paddington.
The fast train now approaching platform 3 does not stop here. Stand back from the platform edge and hold on to pushchairs and wheelchairs.
Should be coming up the bank now. And there he is, or she. So there's 802110 is the number on the IET. Excellent. So there'll be the Barnstable train for me to record back in coming back in. That'll be the 958 coming back in, going to Barnstable. And then after that will be the last of the divert trains. Obviously the one coming from London Paddington. So we will come back soon with those trains.
Exeter, Umberley and Barnstable. This train has 3 coaches. Change them Exeter St David's for destinations in the southwest of England. Train stops in zones 1, 2, 3. Cycle spaces in zones 1 and 3. Wheelchair facilities in zone 2. Yeovil, Copplestone, Orchard
And we got the 158, 958 coming back in, forming the 1214 Great Western Railway service to Barnstable. Okay guys, we're back to the part now. It'll be the Great Western Railway service to Barnstable. Hey guys, well the next train you'll see in this video will be the second of the diverts. It'll be the IET from London Paddington to Plymouth. So we'll come back soon with that train. Okay guys, we're back with the second of the diverts. This will be the last divert of the video. It'll be a Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Plymouth. Never thought I'd be saying that at Exeter Central. Also good to see. I'm assuming this would probably be a 9 coach as well, maybe. It's coming in rather slowly because, well, the signal was still red actually, so, yeah.
of the 1219 Great Western Railway service to Exmouth. Call at St James Park, Polslow Bridge, Digby and Soughton, Newcourt, Topsham, Exton, Lympstone Commando, Lympstone Village and Exmouth. This train has 4 coaches. Exton and Lympstone Commando are request stops, and passengers for these stations should ask the conductor on the train to arrange for the train to stop to allow them to leave.
Number on the train is 800 317. So as that train goes out, guys, I'll leave it here at Exeter Central for this divert video. Hope you enjoyed the video. As we had the Exeter train turned up, 15216 at the front. This is a train you actually haven't seen yet. Maybe we can probably quickly record this before my train comes in. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Great Western Divert video, half an hour long as well. So yeah, very good variety of trains, guys, this morning. Can't fault it. Just wonder if we can record this going out before my train coming in. I think we can, so we'll keep the camera rolling. 152 116 on the way. That's my trainers coming in to get me back to St David's as well. So until next time, for me here at Exeter Central, I'll see you all soon, guys. Take care.
May I have your attention, please? Customers are reminded to mind the gap between the train.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you again soon. Hope you enjoyed the divert video.